Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Anders Larsson, and if you are new, don't forget to hit the like and share buttons, as well as turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Today we will be sharing a video about a web service, and you can find it on logobean.com. The title is 1 million plus generated logos, one click, no sign up ever. But before I share the main topic, I would like to talk about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other people's products. But is affiliate marketing something that interests you, but you have no idea where to start and perhaps feel overwhelmed by all the information and sometimes questionable information that can be found online? Greetings, I'm Anders Larsson. If you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing, now is the time to act. If you have attempted affiliate marketing in the past but didn't get the outcomes you wanted, you are not alone. So before 2019, I was misled by some YouTube gurus into selling low-ticket affiliate clickbank products, which resulted in little profit and a large loss of money due to running paid traffic. After my failure in 2019, a skilled online marketer who had been doing this for a long time suggested that I use the same program she used. So she explained the things to me, the things I'm sharing to you in this video. Basically, you need to learn the right education. You need to have the right education. And having the right education is really powerful. So I'm talking about digital marketing and affiliate marketing education. And sure, you can find education all around you, everywhere on the internet. But honestly, I thought that as well. And after years of reading different educations, ebooks, blogs, and videos, I came to realize that because most people are failing in making money online, they don't have much success, but they write the content anyway to lead people to different resources where they earn money. So ask yourself this: do you really want to learn from that content, or do you want content created by successful people that have real success? So if you get access to this content, then can you imagine earning $1,000 in commission without having to sell anything on your own? Before 2019, I could not imagine it, but after this training, I could see the possibilities, and I got a path to take my online business to success. It takes time. So currently I only get the smaller earnings, but I can see the results. I can see that it really works. So what if I told you that you will be given your own sales team assigned to you that will sell for you for free? They will do all the selling and explaining for you. All you have to do is refer someone to the same platform or system that I'm using in my business. But anyway, Ben will now take over and talk about this web service. So over to you, Ben.
Thank you, Anders. Instantaneously produced branded visuals and professional logos by Logobean. Using our state-of-the-art filter and editor to perfectly customize your logo and brand, and watch a live preview of your logos in our state-of-the-art contextual mockups. Start in minutes with elegance. Hello, YouTube. We're ecstatic to introduce YouTube users to Logobean. How does Logobean work? The next generation logo builder, Logobean, wants to revolutionize DIY logo creation for startups, companies, and company owners. Our online, free tool combines the strength of automation with the adaptability of customization to quickly and affordably generate premium, expert, and distinctive logos and branded social assets. Thinking face: why pick Logobean above alternative logo generators? We have the advantage of being able to closely examine the frequent problems and weaknesses of current logo creator products because we are the new kids on the block. To prevent repeating the same mistakes, we developed from the ground up using cutting-edge technology. Here are a few examples of what makes Logobean unique. Up to 20 times faster than other logo maker tools, Logobean's cutting-edge technology enables the creation of logos at the fastest speed on the market. Single-click onboarding. Start with as little as the name of your project, startup, or company and see a quick preview of your logos. Quickly generate an infinite number of logos. According to our innovative logo generation algorithm, you may keep generating new logos while browsing. Cutting-edge filtering. Using Logobean's sophisticated filtering mechanism, you may instantly modify the created logos according to your own aesthetic tastes. To only display logo versions that suit your tastes, you can combine any number of logo layouts, colors, icons, fonts, and other elements. A strong and user-friendly logo editor. You can further hone your favorite logo with Logobean's quick and easy editor. No other product in the market supports the high-quality, multi-color-codified icons that Logobean creates for logos. With Logobean's cutting-edge previews, which are updated in real time as you search for and narrow down your selection of logos, contextualize your logos in expert mockups. All required export logo formats, as supplied by a qualified designer, all necessary formats, including transparent PNGs and scalable SVGs, are exported for high-quality logos. Brand Asset Management. Your Logobean download package comes with an interactive HTML-based viewer that you can open in your preferred browser to search and save your logos and other branded materials, such as hundreds of social media profiles and covers for all major platforms. Save up to 95% on a fantastic logo. Starting a business requires a lot of effort and money, just as hiring designers. Spend more time and money on what matters and less time and money on branding. Free to use and never require sign-up. You don't need to register an account with Logobean because it is totally transparent. After you are completely satisfied with your selection, only pay to own and download your logo. Gift: we're providing a 20% off coupon as a special deal for YouTube subscribers. At checkout, enter the promotional code PH20OFF to save money off our already low launch prices. We're overjoyed to have started and are eager to expand our platform while focusing on our goal of giving businesses the greatest logo and brand design experience imaginable. Please don't be afraid to get in touch if you have any suggestions or queries. Together, let's revolutionize the process of designing logos. We appreciate you taking the time to visit Logobean. All right, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Ben. I appreciate you sharing that with us. So, I'm an online marketer from Sweden and I want to inspire people to do what I do. So I'm running a YouTube channel and I make money while I run this channel by recommending people the same system that I use. And that's the thing, if you have a really good system, if you have a really good product that you really trust, that you know works, then of course you can recommend people that product. And I know some people have hundreds of products that they recommend, but they don't use it. They don't use them. So it makes sense that, well, they don't have time to use all these products. All they are focused on is creating content and take that content from other YouTubers. So they are only in it for the keywords and make people interested in clicking the link. And that is not what I'm about. I use one product. And my journey to where I am today has been difficult, and I have had to work on my mindset in order to persevere in my internet business and perform the tasks I do to see results. So here's a big aha moment that I got during my time as an online marketer, and that is, we will be successful if we never ever give up on ourselves. If we are constantly open to learning new things and developing ourselves and taking consistent action on things that we learn, then we are going to succeed. So I've seen people achieve huge success very quickly, while others like me have to work a little harder to make our first sale. For me, my first sale was a massive motivational boost, and it just proves that being persistent pays off. So you have to decide if you are going to be in this for the long term, so that you will experience ultimate success and not compare yourself to another person. Decide to follow a path and not deviate from it. until you reach your destination. If you are looking to make $3,000 a month so you can replace your 9-to-5 job, then stay on that path until you get to $3,000 a month. This only works best if you have a solution that you believe in. So do not go and find something that you don't believe in. I know this is not easy. You must first immerse yourself in something in order to establish roots in it. The only thing I can suggest is that you use the same solution that I do. I wouldn't have chosen this solution if people didn't have massive success with it. It took a lot of effort and a thorough research to persuade me to invest in both myself and this solution. Alright, check out the description below this video if you are interested. So you will see a link that will take you to my landing page. On that page there is a red button that will take you straight to the system I use. Why not sign up to learn more about this great program or system? Because it is created so that ordinary folks can make money online. Anyway, if you got something out of this video, why not click like? This will help me get more visibility on YouTube. Also, if you want more videos like this one, then why not smash the subscribe button and click the bell notification to get notified when I upload a new video. Anyway, take care, stay awesome, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.